So you got rear-ended, your neck is sore, and everyone's telling you it's just minor whiplash. Do you actually need a lawyer for something like that here in New York? Let me give you a straight answer. Here's the thing about so-called minor whiplash. It doesn't always stay minor. I've seen clients who felt fine for a few days, then developed chronic pain, headaches, or limited range of motion weeks later. If you've already accepted a quick settlement from the insurance company, you can't go back and ask for more. New York is also a no-fault state, which means your own insurance covers initial medical bills. But there's a catch. To step outside no fault and pursue a real claim for pain and suffering, your injury has to meet what's called the serious injury threshold. Figuring out whether your whiplash qualifies is exactly where a lawyer earns their keep. And here's the good news. Most injury lawyers, including our firm, offer free consultations. So even if your case truly is minor, it costs you nothing to find out for sure. Don't guess about your neck or your rights. Call us before you talk to the insurance adjuster, because what you don't know can absolutely cost you.